Hello, I'm Areeba, student of BS Electronics Engineering, UET Texla, Pakistan. I am going to present the research work on design of intelligent system for the early diagnosis of faults in machine bearings. These are the main contents which I am going to cover. First of all, motivation. What was the major motivation behind starting this research? As rotating machines play a very important role in industry and bearing is among the most important and frequently encountered component in vast majority of rotatory machine. In order to keep machinery at its best and to avoid catastrophic accidents and hindrance in production process, an automated system is needed to diagnose faults at early stage. Introduction. Many rotatory machines, such as gearbox, wind turbine, cranes, and compressor have wide range of industrial applications. Due to excellent performance and high reliability, these rotatory machines play a very important role in industrial sectors. A bearing fault is one of the major faults in machine failure. In most of the machines, bearings are strained by heavy loads due to which they deteriorate and eventually result in machines malfunctioning. So to avoid any hindrance in production process, there must be a method to diagnose these faults at initial stage to halt production losses. The dynamic nature of bearings subjects them to challenge when it comes to their fault detection. So the main purpose of this study is to design an intelligent system for the early diagnosis of machine bearing faults. The major importance of this system is to increase performance in terms of reliability, accuracy, low cost, low complexity, and detection of fault at an early stage. Literature review. In 2019, DNN, SVM, backpropagation neural network, and empirical mode decomposition techniques were used for the diagnosis of faults that include eccentric gear faults and tooth crack. Comparing with other classifiers, DNN gave maximum accuracy of 96.33%. In 2018, deep recurrent neural network method based on deep learning along with softmax classifier is analyzed for the identification of faults in bearing and an accuracy of 95.27% is obtained. In 2019, misalignment and unbalanced fault are diagnosed using a condition-based maintenance algorithm. Classification with KNN gave accuracy of 96%. In 2019, 99.87% accuracy is obtained on dataset provided by Case Western Reserve University. Adaptive weighted multiscale convolutional neural network technique is used for the diagnosis of bearings faults in rotatory machines. In 2018, SVM and incremental SVM were observed for inner race fault and outer race fault. Effective results were produced by incremental SVM, 94.49% for inner race fault and 98.73% for outer race fault. Moving towards the proposed methodology. Proposed methodology comprises of 5 main steps. First step is data acquisition. Second step is segmentation and filtration of acquired data. Third is feature extraction. Fourth is feature selection. And last step is classification. Data acquisition. SG-Link tri-axial accelerometer sensor developed by Microstrain Corporation was used to acquire vibrational signals. Vibrational signals are gathered from a food processing and sorting machine (FPSM) installed at KIMS, Pakistan. These are the raw vibrational signals of all 3 classes. First one is normal vibrational signal. Second is inner race fault vibrational signal. Third is outer race fault vibrational signal. Moving towards the segmentation and filtration step. Raw signal contain heavy noise, and noise is a recurring problem in almost all fields of signal processing. As a result, in practical application, it is necessary to denoise the received signal before further analyzing it. Thus, we applied interval-dependent denoising technique to segment out high-frequency components of the signal from low-frequency components. The high-frequency component obtained is then further analyzed through Savitzky-Golay filter. Golay filter smooths out the noise from segmented high-frequency components of the normal and faulty vibrational signals. Its main purpose is to increase precision and accuracy without distorting the shape of the signals. These are the denoised signals from interval-dependent denoising technique, and second one is filtered signal using Golay filter. Feature extraction. Feature extraction is the most crucial step in signal processing. The main aim of this stage is to figure out those discriminative attributes which can clearly diagnose the bearing fault. Bearings are one of the key causes of failure in machine. Nonlinear dynamic system features were extracted from segmented and filtered vibrational signals. These nonlinear dynamic system features are Lyapunov exponent, correlation dimension, spectral entropy, Shannon entropy, approximate entropy. To further select those features which are giving maximum discriminative accuracy, we applied minimum redundancy, maximum relevance algorithm. It selects those features that have maximum correlation with the predictor and the least correlation among themselves. Lyapunov exponent and Shannon entropy are giving the highest correlation with the predictors. Figure shows the weights of nonlinear dynamic system features by minimum redundancy and maximum relevance algorithm. Various classifiers were trained using these two features, which include naive-based support vector machines, logistic regression, k-nearest neighbors, decision tree, and ensemble. Ensemble Subspace k-nearest neighbor classifier achieved the highest accuracy of 96.6% among all classifiers. Confusion matrix of Ensemble Subspace k-nearest neighbor is shown in figure. Results and discussions. We implemented interval-dependent denoising and Golay filter for the fault diagnosis of the machine bearing faults. Vibrational dataset is obtained using SG-Link triaxial accelerometer sensor, and Ensemble Subspace KNN has dimension of 3 and total misclassification cost of 29. This figure shows the comparison of various classifiers, and from figure it is clear that its highest accuracy of 96.6% is provided by Ensemble Subspace KNN. Conclusion. In this research, we designed an embedded system for the diagnosis of faults in machine bearings. We collected dataset from food processing and sorting machine installed at KIMS, Pakistan. The acquired vibrational signal is segmented and pre-processed. Then features were extracted using nonlinear dynamic system. Features were extracted, and then features were selected using minimum redundancy and maximum relevance algorithm. Results were scrutinized using various classifiers, and Ensemble Subspace KNN model achieved maximum accuracy of 96.6%. This intelligent system deployed on Raspberry Pi is very efficient in terms of computational complexity. Thank you.